Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day when we start the ride from Bangalore to probably Spiti. Not sure yet, but we're going to be riding all the way from Bangalore. So right now the time is 7:25. I left my place at 6 o'clock. I'm somewhere near Hoskote. I'm going to be going to the airport road and just leaving to Hyderabad. So we're going to be taking the Hyderabad, Nagpur, Agra, Delhi route from Bangalore. So the ride has begun. Very excited to be on the road after a very long time. Let's go. Hyderabad, 533 kilometers.
Feel the daylight on our skin.
I'm right now near the Nandi Upachar Hotel, which is near Nandi Hills. So waiting for my friend, had breakfast, waiting for my friend to come. So as soon as he comes, we leave. The loaded bike is always a beauty.
We are young, we feel everything. Yeah, it's starting to begin. Hear the words we were meant to sing. Close my eyes, I feel where we are. We can run all night till the dawn. We light it up.
Let's go.
Like the stars.
Let's go.
No more fear of hiding. Stay where we are. We're the ones. We can break this silence.
Finally on the road. 500 change kilometers to Hyderabad. There's so much of crosswind. I hate crosswinds when I'm riding. So irritating. Bagepalli Toll Plaza. Actually, this is my first toll on this ride. Maruru Toll Plaza.
ಒಂದೇನೋ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಗ.
Cheers.
In the distance, I can see all the things that we can achieve. Are you starting to believe that tonight it was meant to be? Close my eyes, I feel where we are. We can run all night till the dawn. Light it up.
This is Vikas, by the way. This is the one who made me wait.
He made me wait for 45 minutes.
That too, why? He was sleeping.
ನಾನೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ.
ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೇಳು. ನಿನ್ಗೇನು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳೋಕೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
And break the silence. We can break the silence.
There is so much of crosswinds I cannot explain. Bike is just going to the right. It's that bad. It's quite tiring to ride in crosswinds, seriously. It's literally pushing me to the right.
Feel the daylight on our skin. We are young, we feel everything. Yeah, it's starting to begin. Hear the words we were meant to sing. Close my eyes, I feel where we are. where we are. We can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn. We light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding. Stay where we are. We're the ones. We can break.
Pasepalli Toll Plaza. Happiness is zipping through toll plazas.
We can break the silence.
We have done 300 odd. 300? Almost 300.
In the distance, I can see all the things that we can achieve.
Okay, let's go. The clouds today are surreal. Really, it's looking amazing. Amakattadu Toll Plaza.
Where we are, we can run all night till the dawn.
My helmet fell down with the GoPro, but thankfully nothing happened. Rain, 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 rain. Which toll plaza is it? No name. Look right here. There is no rain, no sunlight. Okay. And right there is sunlight. Yay!
Bye bye. Thank you for hosting. Sure. That was Govardhan. He is hosting us in Hyderabad. We reached Hyderabad yesterday night at 8 o'clock. Now we are going to see Charminar and have some food. So let's see how Hyderabad is. We've come to Charminar and the famous Nimra. That is it. Thank you very much for watching this video. The next vlog is going to be in Nagpur. We're heading towards Nagpur now. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. You'll see me very soon in the next video. Bye bye.